Ka North Liberty High Secondary School Juwai haka arpwetrik jelio kala Pynkup burom ya baro ki khynnah school ki balapas bha haka examen SSLC but HSSLC arts but science stream jong uni usnam arajar arposa ya ka jingalang Pynkup burom lapun long haplau ka school haka jingadon lang u director administration embos shillong ba McDonald Marbanyang kum ukongsan ka sub inspector of school Juwai ka kong siling do kum ka simbut kongsan u principal ka school ba Richard B Yuria ki kemi ki kapa ki nong hikai ki khynnah school bat ki wei kane kade ka sien ka bakhat lai ba ka North Liberty High Secondary School kalapha ya ki khynnah jongka banya khun ha ka examen embos menta usnam ladan laingot ki khynnah ka North Liberty High Secondary School ki balarung ha ka top first 10 position HSSLC ha ka science but art stream ha ka science stream kilong uway bha nong tudu lakyang ubalawan ha ka kardan ka ba Henryo da ka bakhor khandai pulai point %, but u Joshua Vian onan password ubalawan ha ka kardan ka ba Henyo da ka bakhor khandai pu %. Kat ba ha ka art stream kilong u Frederick Wenet Rinklem ulawan ha ka kardan ka ba Henyo da ka bakhor prapusan point %. Kiway pat ki balasya Pynkup burom ki kentup ya ki khynnah SSLC ki badan shispa lai pulai ngon but HSSLC ki badan khandai pusau ngon kentup ha ka science stream lai pusan ngon ha ka arts san pukandai ngon u director administration embos shillong ba McDonald Marbanyang ulaong ka imlang ka salang ka danbok but kalong ka jingkar khu badan ka ni ka school ka ba hajan tam ban sam ya ka jingnang jing start banyo ya ka jing puli ka bakat kum ka juk ka ba menta ha ba kentu ya ki khynnah school ulaong kum ki khynnah school pi ha ban klet ya ki jing sngo bha perthei ka imlang ka salang ki kam khawai dawai bat kini ki sausnam ki dei ki bakong san banduriap ha ka puli ka puthi ban job ha ka jing im pi ki khynnah school pi dei bandan ya ka mensim yasha ha ka jing im namar ka syllabus kalong ka bayar kumta kum ki khynnah school pi dei bandan ya ka mensim yasha laong uba Marbanyang ula penslur ya ki khynnah banyakun ya ki competitive exams khamtam ki civil service ki paya ban penbha ya ka sensyar kadar namar ba ki khasi ba jantia kidang duna bha ki bapas bat ha ka juk kapor ula ai khublei bat kitbok kitwang ya ki khynnah puli ki balarung ha ka top 10 bat top 20 ha ka art stream bat science stream ula ong banai ki pho hajar ki nong ya khun ya ka exam kamde ka basuk banyo rung ha ki kardan top position ula ya ro ru ya ka West Giant Hills district da ka baong bakade ka district ka balakio bha ha ka liang ka puli puthi hapo ka jala ha ka ba man usnam ka jingpas jong ki khynnah kalong prapo percent shaneng la kalong ha ka exam SSLC ni HSSLC bat kane ka pen I shisha ba ka district kalakio bha amtang ha ka liang ka puli puthi henry wat ha ka liang ka kamyale ka sports ru kane ka district class shibun ki rang bat thayale ka ki batbin lapun phu penpieng ya ka jingalang da ki jingsha jingruai na ki khynnah jong kane ka school
I congratulate the schools, the principal, the management, the administrator, the teachers, all of you. You have done incredibly well. And North Liberty, like what Miss Ligno has said, it has brought laurels to the whole Giant Hills. Every year, even we would like to check on the merit list, on the state rank list, whether North Liberty it figure or not in the list. And almost every year, it did figure, and this year they are extremely doing well with 2 positions in the science stream, which is not at all easy to compete with the school in Shillong City as well as in other places. But you have done it, That is really a very good thing. What Sir has said, that art stream, 36,000 students competing in art stream, and to get in the top 10, it's not as easy as we thought. It is not that easy, which means it requires dedication, it requires a commitment, it requires a thorough study, right from the beginning of the year. When you are in class 9, 10, 11, 12, you have to forget the world. You have to forget the world. Others, they may play in the evening in the playground. Others may attend the bereaved family in your locality. Others may attend the wedding in your family or in your relatives. But you have to think of your career. These 4 years, they are the very, very crucial years for the students so that they can perform well. And North Liberty is, I feel that it has brought blessing to many families. Why I say it's a blessing to many families, especially in the Jaita Hills region. See, to get an updated quality education in our own doorstep, in our own Jawai town, it is not easy. Many students, they have to fly. They have to go all the way either to Dehradun, they have to go all the way either to Kodaikanal or to Chennai or to other metros in the country to get that updated quality education. But here you are. West Jaita Hill districts, when I check what West Jaita Hill district is one of the, the advanced district in our state. Almost every year you'll find that they cross 80 plus percentage, whether in the SSLC or in the high secondary examination when we declare the results, which implies that the whole district is a promising district. It is a district which is going forward. And we have also testified that there are so many personalities that have coming up which the district has produced. They are very good in education, whether in the field of education, whether in the field of sports, whether in any other field, you'll find eminent personalities produced by West Jaita Hill districts. We have limited number of civil service in our state. Very, very limited number of civil service in our state. This is also one of the line which I feel that you need to focus upon. Yes, medical, to become a doctor is very good. To become a lawyer is very good. To become a professor is very good. To become a teacher is very good. And also, you need to think. You are in class 10, 11, 12, 9. Think what to do to become a good civil servant. What to do to become a good administrator. When you go to the Accountant General Office in Shillong, you will find very few of our own people from our states working there in the AG office. I think most of our people, they have retired, and none of our youths could do well nowadays. Why? Because I told you that the staff selection syllabus is very, very tough. Is very, very tough. The question which they will ask is that you have to think multiple times so that you will understand, not to find a solution, only to understand the question. This is a right time for you to start preparing. Start to collect now with the blessing of the technologies, internet. You'll get everything. The syllabus, you'll get even the reference textbooks. You'll get the guidebooks. You'll get the last year question paper. Everything is available. What you need is you need to have a determination how to do all these things. Then I strongly believe that one day Sir Richard will proudly announce at the stage that so and so students he cleared the civil service examination from North Liberty. That determination we should have. We should have that determination. It will be, a big achievement not only of the schools, but as a state, as the state as a whole. It will be also, I'll come that time, to felicitate the students, to hug the students, because we are expecting all these good students to come up very well.